Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got my parcel. I ordered for Heads in the Cloud palette by M. Mitchell. So there we go. So I'm just going to unbox this and do some swatches and see what this palette is all about. I'm excited. You know the feeling when you've got a new palette. You just ordered for a new palette. So let's see. So I'm just unboxing that. Look at the packaging. Oh, so that's the invoice. And then it's in there. So that's the box. I'm putting that away. And how do I open this now? Ooh, I love this packaging. It's like, it can't even, like, you know, if you order this palette, I don't think it will come damaged because this is like super, you know, padded. So I'm taking that out. Look at that. It's in a bag, sort of a bag. Sort of a, look at that. But it wasn't in a box that came this, and oof, this is amazing. This is good. And okay, and there is a card with the date. Oh, by Mitchell, I can't wait. So that's just a card that was in there. That this card must be retained in case of any order queries. So I'm going to keep that safe. The exciting part, guys, look at that. I love the packaging. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. That is good. So opening the palette. These in a box. I need to be careful. I don't want to damage anything. I need to be careful. I'm excited. I love this palette already. From the outside. From the outside. Kind of tight. Kind of tight. Let's see if I can pull that out. Oh, dear me. Oh. Probably that's the wrong one. Let me try opening it this side and see if I can. Oh yeah, definitely was the wrong way. Hello my fellow dreamers. Made by Mitchell. Made by Mitchell. Ooh, 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 ooh. So it looks like Heads in the Cloud. Head in the clouds. So that is good. It's got a mirror, and this is what we're looking at. Look at it's got, I can see some shimmery colors, and then it's got some matte colors. Yep. So those are the shimmers, and it's got, that's a matte, that's a matte, that's a matte, that's a matte. So like those three colors, those are shimmers. Oops, I dragged the color into there. Those are shimmery colors. Then they've got the names like Water, Better Days. That yellow there is called Better Days, and it's a shimmer. Better Days, Doris Day, Twinkle, Banana Skies, Pink Eye, Midnight, Night Shift, Eclipse. I like the Eclipse. That one there. You can see that. So I'm just gonna swatch this and see the kind of pigmentation that they have. It's got a white. My camera is not bad. That's white. We will not actually, let's start trying from that one and just see how pigmented this is. So I'm swatching, I'm starting from there. Oh, look at that. That's good. I like that. I like it. And then I'm going to try the shimmers. So I'm going for Better Days, which is a yellow. I'm just gonna do that and try that over there. If I wrap it again, I go on the second pair. There we go. That's the yellow. I will try Eclipse, that blue. And they really feel so good. I can't wait to try them. Look at that. That's good. It's lovely. Let me find a way, probably. Yeah. That's the blue. It's called Eclipse. And look at that. That is good. That is good. Can't wait to try it. I am going to try this other one, Soda Skies. That color over there, it's a shimmer paper. It's called Soda Skies. So let me just try that. I'm gonna try that there. I do like the shine that they come with. It's very nice. And then I will try Twinkle. It's called Twinkle. That green. Just can't wait to explore this. I love the packaging. I love the packaging, guys. The packaging is amazing. I'm just gonna swatch that. Look, ooh, look at that. I think the colors are kind of pigmented, you know. They're really good. You can see that's white. You can see that's yellow. That's a paper. That's kind of a pink, maroon pink, and that's a Twinkle. I will then try, which other one can I try from this palette? It's got that color. I think that's a red. Night Nympha. It's got Night Nympha. Oh, it's got some, the palette has got some good names, funny names, yeah. Good. So I'm gonna try that there. My camera is missing about, so there we go. It's not, I think my camera is not really good. Otherwise, guys, the colors are just amazing. Look at that. My camera. I need to get a better camera, but yeah, there we go. Probably if I do that, those are the colors. And bear in mind that I am melanin, like, yeah, I'm on the deep melanin side. And if they are looking like this, even without putting any, you know, like eyeshadow base, concealer and stuff to make the colors pop, the colors just popping, I would say this is good. This is good. I'm then going to try the yellow. It's got Banana Skies. I'll try that there so you could see properly. Yeah, when I do that, actually I'll just swatch that all the way to there. That's a yellow. It's called Banana Sky. They're good. The pigmentation is good. I'm going to try the Midnight. It's a very dark, I think paper, very dark paper color over there. That one. And then I'm gonna try it there. Ooh, yeah, this is good. This is good. Look at those colors, guys. Amazing, amazing. Which other one can I try? Yep, I think I've tried most of the colors I wanted to try. Oh, there is this one called Cockpit. That's a beautiful color. That is a beautiful color. That one. I'm gonna try that on a darker skin tone. On a dark skin tone and see what we are going to get. So, oh guys, look at that. Look at that. I love it. I love Heads in the Cloud. The pigmentation is just good. What you would need. What you would need. All the colors are showing, and like I'm not even having to go in deep and then, you know, try, and it's just there. So I like it. I like it. So guys, the palette, I just got this palette like I said, and I was just kind of trying a few colors here and there. It's Heads in the Clouds, made by Mitchell, and I'm going to try this on my eye. Sorry guys, I'm gonna try this on my creases and stuff with an eyeshadow and see how it looks like. I love it. I love the packaging. It comes in that bag. Look at that. I love this. Alright then, it's bye for now. Till next time. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe for see how those colors are gonna be coming up. Bye.